it's Jan here, and in this session I'm going to help you to turn your forehand into a weapon. To me, one of the best forehands in the game ever was Fernando Gonzalez, for example. I also love players of these days like Del Potro, like Marin Cilic, huge forehand. There's many more other big players with a big forehand. Thomas Berdych has a big forehand, and of course Roger Federer has a big forehand. Not the most powerful, but very accurate, very well placed. So again, it's an attacking forehand. So we want to talk about, I'm gonna be showing every single part of the forehand, but the attacking forehand in this session. You're gonna learn everything that you need to learn in order to really take your forehand step up, yeah? To really take it to the next level. So, basically, when we're talking about Fernando Gonzalez, for example, you remember Fernando Gonzalez was just the forehand out of the world, yeah? I remember matches when he played Roger Federer, and were just matches where Federer was just collecting balls when it came to Fernando's forehand. This guy had not much of backhand, he was just chipping the ball back, sometimes just a little bit of topspin, but kind of just putting the ball back in the game. But when it came to his forehand, this guy had a massive forehand, massive weapon. Yeah, he managed to use his legs, his body rotation, his wrist, his racket speed acceleration to his maximum potential, and he generated a power which was really, it was something unseen before. Since he was a kid, he had always great wrist. So he kept working on this. The wrist is one of the things that I'm gonna show you how you can improve this wrist action, this racket speed, when I'm talking the head of the racket. But let's start talking about the fundamentals of the forehand. Like, it's very important. Again, 90% of club players, they have a good forehands, but rarely there is somebody who has a really big, massive attacking forehand. And then when this player comes out, then everybody's afraid of him. So you want to be that player. You want to be that player that's gonna have this massive forehand, and you're gonna start winning those matches with that weapon. Yeah, it's very important. I'm teaching this every day on the tennis court. We're focusing a lot on having a forehand weapon. The forehand has to be a weapon. Some players have a better backhand, fantastic. But when it comes to the forehand, you want to be able to charge. You want to be able to win the point. You're closing the point. Yeah, you're finishing it. So now, when we talk about Federer, that is a placement. So he's going nicely left, right. He's very accurate. He hits the ball perfectly, almost in the corners, on the lines. That's, again, of course, that's another level. Lot of training, a lot of drills with the cones and stuff, and we're gonna go through all this. But let's talk about the three most important things on the forehand for me again, and let's start applying the position, legs, and the body, the PLB tennis method, right into it.